Okay, so welcome guys sa bago nating vlog. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ba gumawa ng channel. Dapat meron muna kayo mga browser. Kung nakikita nyo, pwedeng Chrome, Safari, Opera Mini. Okay, so una nating gagawin is i-type natin yung gmail.com. Yan, antayin lang po natin siya. Mag-loading. Okay. So, ito yung unang-una natin gagawin. Kailangan muna natin mag-create ng Gmail account. So, paano natin siya gagawin? So, dito nakikita nyo, add another account. And then, use another account. Then, sa pinakababa, baba ng learn more, create account. Kasi definitely, wala pa kayong kahit anong account na nagagawa. So, panibagong channel to, panibagong account. So, for myself, kasi this is not about your own business naman. Next, dito sa part na to, kailangan mo nang i-type kung ano yung magiging name ng channel mo. Dapat sure ka na, dapat searchable din siya. Marami guys na magiging katulad kayo na pangalan sa YouTube. Dapat you have to be unique. Okay? So, dapat yung hindi sobrang haba para mahanap kayo kagad ng mga magiging subscribers nyo. Okay, this time, second is, kailangan nyo nang gumawa ng username nyo para in the future, makapag-login na kayo. Okay, next, you have to set up din po yung password na gagamitin nyo in the future. Kailangan still follows kung ilang characters, 8 or more characters, alphanumeric, mix ng letters and numbers. Then, after nun, click next na po tayo. Okay. So, once nagawa nyo na yon, importante din na pag nagagawa kayo ng account, kaya ng sabi ko nga is, madali kayong ma-search. Pwede nyo na rin tong screenshot kaya ng ginawa ko kasi para hindi nyo makalimutan. Pwede nyo ring isulat. This time, for verification, kailangan nyo ilagay yung phone number nyo para later isisend sa inyo ni Google kung ano yung verification code. For security purpose, kasi syempre, we own or you own your own account, kaya kailangan maging secure tayo doon. Okay, so once na-type mo na yung number mo, you also have recovery email address kung saan pwede mo pa rin ma-recover yung email mo if and when or kapag nakalimutan yung password mo. Okay, importante yan. Then, iset up mo na din yung birthday mo para ma-retrieve mo if in case, gaya nga ng sabi ko, makalimutan mo yung account mo. Okay. Tapos, pili ka na rin ng gender. Then next. Okay, so this time, ito naman, kailangan na ng verification code. So, check mo na yung phone mo if you were able to receive yung message na. Type mo lang siya. So, 6 numbers yan. After nyan, click verify. Okay? Yes, I'm in. Then sa privacy and terms, you may go ahead and read it and click I agree. Okay, so antayin lang natin siyang mag-loading. So this time, makikita nyo kung paano nyo ipa-personalize yung YouTube channel nyo. So, una natin gagawin sa home, click lang natin yung manage your profile. Okay, marami tayong makikita dyan na pwede nating i-personalize. Okay, so click natin yon yung circle. Makikita natin na we have to add your photo para siya na rin yung mag-appear once nag-open na kayo ng YouTube account. Okay, pili lang kayo sa gallery or photos. So, this is just a sample photo that I'm going to add dito sa account na gagawin natin. So, tingnan lang natin. Pili lang tayo kung ano yung appropriate photo na gusto nating ilagay sa account natin. So, once na nakapili na kayo, you have to upload it. Okay, let's just wait until ma-upload na siya. Okay, so pag masyadong mataas yung mega or MB ng photo na i-upload natin, so dapat mas mababa sa 2 MB, guys. Okay, so we can go ahead and crop the photo. Ayan siya. So, after that, set as a profile photo. Okay? Okay, ayan na. Nabago na natin yung profile photo natin. Now, ano naman yung next na gagawin natin para malaman natin or makapag-sign in tayo sa YouTube? Punta naman tayo sa YouTube app. Doon naman tayo magsi-sign in doon sa ginawa nating Gmail account. This time, we have to click Manage and then Add Account. Antayin lang natin. So, itatype mo naman yung email na ginawa mo na dapat nare-remember mo siya kung sinulat mo siya para hindi mo makalimutan once magla-login na. Okay. And then next, type your password. Yan. Click next. After nyan, mag-a-appear na dyan yung photo na, ayun, nabago na siya, guys. Okay? Doon sa upper right. Yan. So, yan na siya. Yan na yung account mo sa YouTube. That's how you create a channel. Click mo lang yan siya, create channel. There you have it. Okay? So, ayan na siya. Click mo lang yung library, notification, you can turn it on, subscription, kung sino may mga pina-follow mo, pwede ka na rin mag-start mag-follow, then explore and home. Click mo ulit yung circle on the upper right corner, then click your channel. Ayan. You can now go ahead and upload video right there. You can go on live and record as well, but merong mga policy si YouTube before ka makapag-live stream. Okay? Isa rin yan sa ituturo sa inyo, guys. So, this time, since ayan na yung name ng channel mo, pwede mo rin siyang baguhin. You have name or 3 name changes allowed every 90 days. So, wag nyo na rin siyang i-on para ma-search kayo in public. Okay. So, definitely, yan na siya. Pwede nyo rin siyang i-customize, guys. Okay? So, if you will upload video, that's how you do it. Click nyo lang yung upload video or if you will go on live. This time, kinlik ko yung go on live, hindi pa possible kasi may mga eligibilities si YouTube. Okay? 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, we can go ahead and customize the settings. Punta ulit tayo dun sa Google account natin. youtube.com. Kasi mas madali siya dito, guys. Kesa dun sa app mismo. Okay? Mas marami tayong magagawa dito sa mismong browser kesa dun sa app. Kasi we can customize it. Medyo limited lang yung sa app, kaya mas maganda, guys, na gamitin natin yung youtube.com. Okay. So, this time, I'm gonna show you my YouTube channel, guys. Please do subscribe. Ayan siya, guys. Marean Official. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's go ahead and continue as to how we are going to personalize yung ating channel. Okay. Yan siya. Okay. So, please follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you guys like this video as well for more upcoming videos that I'm going to upload. Okay? Thank you so much. Okay. So, click lang natin yung library. Ayan. Dito natin makikita yung history, watch later, playlist, like videos, at kung ilan na yung nag-subscribe sa inyo, guys. At kung ilan din yung uploads nyo. Okay, click lang natin yung mga information na nakikita natin dyan para ma-customize natin. Pero sa akin, I will click the settings and then go on account. Very important to, guys, ha? Go to account and then click that. Once you click that, you have to verify your account, guys. Para ma-verify nyo siya, you need pieces of information kagaya ng phone number. Okay? Type nyo, yung phone number nyo para ma-verify, ma-send ulit yung code. So, pwede nyo rin siyang i-edit, guys, about uploading. It should be enabled. Monetization. So, there are some eligibilities. Okay. So, ayan na siya, guys. Sa account verification, so, kailangan, you have two choices. Call me with an automated voice message or text me the verification code. Once you have it, you may go ahead and submit it. But this time, I think I was able to use the number twice na, kaya it's no longer allowing me to do it. Okay? But this one, guys, is very, very important kasi kailangan ni YouTube na ma-verify yung account nyo para in the future, if yung mga contents na na-upload nyo ay mamamonetize. Okay? Tsaka for security purpose na din para hindi ma-hack yung account nyo. Okay? So, yan yung magandang information that you guys need to know. Okay. So, gaya nga ng sabi ko this time, I got the problem because I was able to use the number twice na. So, this time, guys, kapag nagawa kayo ng YouTube channel, kailangan bagong phone number din yung gagamitin nyo for security purpose, just like what I told you. Okay? So, once you're done, you just need to click submit para ma-verify na yung account nyo. Okay? So, that's the step as to how you will verify your account here on YouTube. Okay? So, let's see what are other features that we can customize here. Okay, so let's go ahead and verify other things in here. Okay, so automated voice call. We can go ahead and choose that as well if we want to. Philippines, of course, you have to select your country. So this time it's not giving me an option to submit it dahil, just like what I told you, up until 2 accounts lang verified per year. Okay? So once na-verify na yung channel nyo sa baba, you can go ahead and maximize it and edit the features. Yeah, but basically that's how you will